Hello, Sudaman. It's Haisa Abhishek, and now we are doing some example so that we clear out ourselves. So where we put E and where we don't need to put E. So zum Beispiel, for example, das bin ich, that is I, und das ist mein Vater. Das ist mein Vater. Mein Vater. So why it is mine? Because Vater, their Vater. Father is a masculine, their Vater, masculine. Das bin ich und das ist meine Mutter. Why there is E? Because Mutter is feminine, die Mutter. That's why we put extra E. Das ist meine Mutter. Und das ist dein Bruder. Das ist deine Schwester. Why thine and deine? Thine because Bruder, their Bruder. Bruder is masculine. That's why we put just thine, your brother. Deine Schwester. Your sister. Schwester, die Schwester, sister, feminine. That's why we put extra E. Und das ist Abhishek. Und das ist sein Bruder. That is Abhishek and that is his brother. Why sein? Because sein is Bruder is their Bruder, masculine. Sein Bruder. Und das ist Abhishek und das ist seine Schwester. Why? Because Schwester is the Schwester, feminine. And this is er. Abhishek is er, he. And he. So er becomes sein in possessive pronoun. And here it is feminine. It means female. That's why we put extra E. Seine Schwester. Und das ist Sonali. That is Sonali. Und das ist ihr Bruder. Her brother. Because it is there. Masculine. Bruder is masculine. Das ist Sonali und das ist ihre Schwester. Because Schwester is the. That's why we put extra E in possessive pronoun. So Sonali is she. So she becomes ear in possessive pronoun. And she becomes ear in possessive pronoun where? When there is feminine. In case of feminine, we put extra E. Vielen Dank.